Throwback to last week's Jetwing pool transition. Three, two.
I'm scared.
Okay. Look.
I'm really scared.
Three. Look.
No.
Look.
My stomach is...
Okay, come.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look at these. Pre-transition. Okay, let's go. All for the gram, huh?
Dude, my stomach is paining me. Chakkar ache to yaar.
Come. 3, 2, 1. How was it?
My specs.
Where did you drop your specs?
Can you find it?
Even I can't see it. It's too cold now. You were like saying it's too sunny and we'll get sunburnt and all.
I thought so, but
Now it's too cold.
Oh,
Okay, what happened now? What's the challenge now?
it's a treasure hunt for my specs, please. I can't.
Wait. I have a really good technique to find your specs, huh?
Okay.
It's like we cover the whole pool area with our legs. That way we can find the specs.
Don't you dare.
No, for
break
real.
it.
I can't see the specs, bro.
Okay, don't break it.
So let's just keep moving like this. I found the specs.
Where is it? It's in your
I
head.
found it. Wait.
Thanks.
We just swam and chilled.
I'm so tired. I'm so hungry.
We just swam and then we changed into our new outfits.
Dinner ready?
No, dinner. I think it's in another hour. In another hour.
I'm so hungry.
Wait, my mouth is tripping. In another hour.
I'm hungry, dude.
You mentioned me in the story. Okay. So wait. Anyways, we went off course with what we were doing. What the hell? So it's.
We just swam.
We just swam. It was
Sunset
such
was
a
really
vibe.
nice.
It was
The
such a
sunset
vibe.
was really
The pool was such a vibe. Let me finish my shit.
The sunset was
The pool
nicer.
was a vibe.
Sunset was nicer.
The pool was a vibe. And now we're waiting for dinner and now it's like raining. I was gonna say really raining. It's raining now. That's also another
I think we're
vibe.
sleep deprived, dude.
I think we are.
Yeah.
And now we are waiting for dinner, and while waiting for dinner we are watching I think what's the episode? 5th episode of Miss Marvel. So anyways,
Thoughts on it?
thoughts on, we still haven't watched it.
Thoughts on the show?
Thoughts on, it's bullshit man, cringy shit.
Still watching it?
It's Marvel movie, Marvel TV series. Anyways, bloody Miss Marvel gets cringier by the episode, man. Hey, where are you going? Huh?
Dude, it was so bad.
Well, I told you it was terrible.
The series started off nice.
Only the first episode was nice because it was new.
Dude, this was the worst episode. It was really bad.
So cringe. Huh? You liked it now, Miss Marvel fan.
No, it was fine. Like, it was going fine. For 3 episodes
Dude,
were okay.
the only good thing about it is that they put in some really nice Indian music, Bollywood music. That's the only good thing.
Dude, it was
Other than that,
garbage.
it's so bad. Anyways, we are going for dinner now. So let's see how the dinner is. Set menu anyways, because this small hotel, no? Let's see how it is. Wait, usually they give set menu, right?
I have no idea.
It's only a
no,
few.
but the menu like is good. I'm so hungry. Can you go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So, how's the vibe? It's what?
I'm just so hungry.
You get off the damn phone, man. Who are you on honeymoon with? Huh? What the hell? So I thought.
Yo, I'm hungry, man.
You're hungry? Why are you hassling me for?
I'm not asking you.
Can you look nice? You're like doing some crazy shit.
I'm just ready to eat.
Bro,
Do I look nice now?
I'm not a mirror man. What the hell? You're using my GoPro as a mirror?
If you carry it around everywhere, what can I do?
I carry you around everywhere. What can he do?
Ouch! Meanie.
You're waiting for him to drop the ice cube, no?
Yeah, dude. I was gonna tell him drop it.
I was so glad he didn't drop it. First prawn in years. So yeah. How is it? It's pretty good, huh? How long has it been since you ate prawns?
10 years?
10 years? What the hell? You never let me feed you also, no?
It's nice.
Fine.
The sauce is really good.
So the prawn is bad.
No, it's good.
It's fine, bro. At first, the taste is a bit messed up. I don't know, man. At first, it messes me up. Afterwards, it's fine.
It's nice.
It's nice.
I just wish they put like pieces of mushroom instead of blending it. Mango so big.
I'm supposed to hold it like this. Right? What is this? This is a mango?
Dude, it's like ice cream but water based.
Ice cream, water.
Ice cream
Dude,
but water
solid.
water based ice cream. It's like mango pulp, right?
It's like mango juice, man.
Yeah, but frozen. That's exactly what it is.
I don't like mango juice. You want?
Yes.
Foodgasm. This is foodgasm.
I was gonna say.
Why? You look so nice. So we just had dinner. We just came back to the room in the, what was that? What do you call that? Buggy, right? So to come back to the rooms, you come in a buggy. It's pretty cool. Cool stuff. Huh?
I think it's waste of money.
What do you mean it's waste of money? It's not safe to freaking come alone, man. Like,
Yeah, it's true.
because that whole street is like so shady.
But it's like very luxury, right? When somebody drops you off, picks you up.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of inconvenient because you cannot like go. I mean, you can go whenever you want, but you cannot like freely just walk and go, you know.
Because it's like independent, right? That's true.
So how was dinner? How would you rate dinner?
Like 7.
7. No, the spaghetti was amazing.
That was real. Chicken was also real nice.
I don't know. For me, the food was good overall. Some reason I liked the soup. I never liked the soup. Soup is always a disappointment.
Soup was nice. How much would you
Soup was
rate?
nice. What, the whole food?
Yeah.
I think in terms of taste, I think it will be 8 out of 10. In terms of filling, I think it will be like 7 out of 10.
Yeah. Presentation was really good.
Yeah. That's all.
I got like a beetroot salad. I've never eaten such a fancy
You
beetroot
left all the beetroot for me.
That's because I don't eat beetroot. Yeah.
What's the plan now?
We'll play cards. You didn't bring any.
Watch a movie or something. I'll watch a horror movie. The vibe is set for that. It's like a damn jungle.
We should
over
watch
here.
like a happy.
And then there's a TV room over there. The door keeps opening and closing by itself. Perfect time for a horror movie. We should start at 12.
Bro, come on. We'll watch like comedy movies.
Comedy? What's wrong with you?
Something that you like.
Are you joking?
No.
Horror movie it is. Let's go.